I had a chance to walk around the 2nd Street district in downtown Austin, Texas, while I was here in Austin playing music, including this gig that I played at a retirement home. The 2nd Street district is 6 blocks long, and it's a mixed-use development located right in the heart of downtown Austin. It's located between Congress Avenue and San Antonio Street, right along 2nd Street. And technically, the 2nd Street district is part of a larger district in southwest downtown that they call the Seahome district, which edges right up against Lady Bird Lake, where you have a bunch of running and biking and walking trails. The district is along 2nd Street, although the alternative and maybe more accepted or appropriate name for the street is Willie Nelson Blvd, and you can find a statue of Willie Nelson right along here at Austin city limits. The 2nd Street district says that they're Austin's best mix of local retail, restaurants, living, and entertainment. And there's a lot of shopping here, so you might say it's reminiscent of a shopping mall. The district began back in the year 2000s, and its development was gradual into the 2010s, where their ultimate goal was to create a dense and walkable urban area in downtown Austin. And they did pretty well with that, with the wide sidewalks that they have here and the walking pathways that they have along the river that flows around here. So the folks who live here do go walking around a lot, and they bike around quite a bit, especially when they can sneak down to Lady Bird Lake. And overall, the district is home to over 600 places where people can live. They got hundreds of hotel rooms here and over 50 specialty shops, service, and dining establishments. And this place is said to have more locally owned and nationally acclaimed shops, restaurants, and venues than anywhere else in downtown Austin. So it's quite the destination for those looking for shopping, and they have a range of opportunities there, from boutique shops and flagship stores and trendy fashion outlets and unique local artists that are displaying their things there for sale. They do have some pretty fine dining along here too, with farm-to-table restaurants and international cuisine, along with some cafes and more casual food like Sweet Green. And seeing all these outdoor dining spaces where folks were sitting outside feels a little bit like New York City vibes, while the big sidewalks that they have here that you can walk through gives it some kind of European feel. But overall, this is a pretty interesting area. It gives you a sense for what it looks like there below some of the big tall skyscrapers that define the Austin downtown skyline. In terms of live music along this little walkable path here in this district, the Moody Theater, or ACL Live, is the most popular one. It is a major live music destination in the city and beyond the city, because it's a place where they host Austin city limits. And it's also the place where you can find that Willie Nelson statue. Downstairs of the Moody Theater, or ACL Live, is the venue called 310 ACL Live. It's a smaller club-like venue that has more intimate shows with up-and-coming artists. Also along this strip is Lamberts BBQ, and they've got an upstairs bar and lounge there where they have live music. And I also was able to catch this place Ellis, looking out across Congress, which said they have live music on their deck. And right behind there is a food court called Fairground, which has also had live music in the past. And when I started this walk to the 2nd Street district, I did notice the Tiniest Bar in Texas, and I've heard that they have live music there sometimes too. So I had a good time walking around Austin on this trip and also playing some music there. I had a return visit to the retirement home. My name is David Brigwell, a friend of Sierra's, and I also tour around playing music around Texas. Mostly original songs, just to manage your expectations. I haven't learned any Journey songs since I was here last. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music scene of Texas, including my own music here on my YouTube channel. You could click on my channel and check out those thumbnails and see which topics are interesting to you. Give those videos a view. Thanks for giving this video a view, and thank you for your support.